Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. Are you trying to place an order with Afterpay but keep getting the message, "Sorry, we can't approve your order"? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, we will talk about the top 8 reasons why Afterpay may be declining your order and show you simple ways to fix each one. Let's break it down step by step so you can get approved next time. To explain all the 8 reasons and their solutions clearly, we have created this table. This table includes all the possible reasons why you might see this error and also what actions you can take to fix them. The first reason is having a brand new account. If your Afterpay account is less than 6 weeks old, your payment history hasn't been built yet. That's why you may see this error. To fix this, start with small orders and repay them successfully. Once you build a good payment history, you'll be able to place larger orders. The second reason is insufficient balance. If you're trying to place an order using Afterpay, you need to pay at least 25% of the amount upfront. If your account does not have that amount, you will get this error. The third reason is an invalid or expired payment method. This means card or payment method you are using has some issue. Maybe the information is incorrect or the card has expired. In this case, you'll need to update your payment method. The fourth reason is past late or missed payments. If you previously placed an order through Afterpay and didn't pay it on time, Afterpay may block future orders and you'll keep seeing this error until your account is in good standing again. The fifth reason is exceeded spending limit. Afterpay sets a spending limit for every customer. If you've already reached your limit, you won't be able to place a new order until you repay some of the previous ones. The sixth reason is identity or account restriction. If your Afterpay account is not verified or has been suspended due to unusual activity, you will not be able to place any orders until the issue is resolved. The seventh reason is geographic or merchant restrictions. Afterpay also sets limitations based on your location. If you live in an area where Afterpay doesn't provide services, you will see this error when trying to check out. The eighth and most common reason is a technical glitch. This usually happens due to a server issue. In such cases, clear your device cache, restart your phone, and try again after a few hours. So friends, these were the 8 main reasons why you might see the not approved error on Afterpay.